Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to talk about a product in today's video, that is FITSMART Fat Burner. This is 100% natural supplement that boosts up your health in different ways, and also a lot of people's lives has been changed around the globe. Let's start with what is FITSMART. FITSMART Burner is a natural weight loss supplement. According to the website, FITSMART Burner is designed by experts and also keeping in mind lots of people struggle to lose weight in the past. Let's see what are the benefits FITSMART has to offer us. FITSMART has personally helped me in many other achieving weight loss journey. The supplement is said to have to start using the supplements, you will start to notice a fat burning quickly in the first few days only, keeping the metabolism in control for weight management, improves immune system, control both heart and cholesterol levels. It's said to stay energy all over the day. Proven efficiency. This is a proven supplement that helps a lot of people in different ways, and also weight loss gives results may vary to every individual as each body reacts to supplement differentiately. Fat burner is available through different websites like amazon.com, but I would suggest purchasing from the official website. FitSmart Fat burner is available through different websites like amazon.com, but I would personally suggest you to get it from the official website so that we would have more trust on it, and also there is some offer money back guarantee is being offered from the website. You can find the official website link in the description if you would like to purchase the product with a discount also has been included from my side. Additionally, the product comes in packs that you can choose as per your requirement. Usually it shows buying more. Please keep in mind before purchasing is to go through their official website and also take your own decision, because it's being a supplement. I would this is the journey that I have shared. You can cross check the reviews about this product. And also the usage of FitSmart Fat Burner is a minimum of 3 months time period. So based on that, you can get and adapt for best results. Thank you.